नमस्कार आणि येवकार हॉट सीट कार्यावळीन सध्या विधानसभा सत्र जाल्ले तेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर हांचे फाटल्यान एक मनीस जो प्रॉमिनंटली परत परत स्क्रिनीर दिसतालो तो म्हणजे फातोड्डेचे आमदार विजय सरदेसाय. विधानसभे भितर आनी विधानसभे भायर ते आपल्या कर्तुबां खातीर गाजता. एक तांचे कर्तूब जालें म्हणजे तांचेर FIR लॉन्च जाली की कार्निवालाच्या दिसा तांणी सावंड रुल्स वायोलेट केलो, ताका लागून FIR लॉन्च जाली आणि तो ताजे पडसादूय काय प्रमाणात विधानसभेन घातले. आमच्या वांगडा आसा विजय सरदेसाय, फातोड्डेचे आमदार. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तुमी जेन्ना लॉ मेकर म्हणटा ते आपूण लेजिस्लेटर म्हणटा आनी तुमी आनी रेजिनाल्डूच तो लॉ ब्रेक करता.
ना लॉ ब्रेक करपाचो क्वेश्चन ना. एक म्हणल्यार हांवें पयलींच कार्नावालाच्या टायमार असेंब्ली सेशन घेवचें न्ही म्हणून हांवें गव्हर्नरा कडेन वचून कंप्लेन दिल्ली. पूण हो सरकार म्हाका दिसता आयदर बाय डिझायन ऑर बाय डिफॉल्ट असल्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी मानना. आतां हें ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल ताका तांणी इन द 15 फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ द स्टेट they have got it relaxation from 10 to 12. आता 11:15 पुलीस आमच्या शोआक येतात आनीक मागीर 12:00 भितर सरतात आनी 12:15 आमचे हे काडून घेतात. 12:15 जाली, 12:15 आमची जाली. दुसरे दिसा नावेली फेस्ट द लॅक म्हणटा थंय जंय लेबर मिनिस्टर चीफ गेस्ट आसलो तो 2:53 बंद केला. देर ऑल्सो देर वर कंप्लेंट फ्रॉम 100. सो हांव हातून म्हाका व्हडलें आय एम नॉट अफेक्टेड बाय दीस, बट द टायमींग वॉज ऑफ एसेन्स. No, I am not justifying. I am only trying to say that tomorrow the assembly begins. Today a case is being booked against me, and I and Reginald happen to be for the record, the most vociferous of the MLAs in the opposition, and we have filed the maximum questions.
It can be coincident also.
Even if the coincidence is there, then it is too sheer a coincidence. Too much of a coincidence to be believed. But in any case, and the charge is what? Charge is that we have thrown a stone or something. And our entire program has been video filmed. So I have got proof to prove my innocence. One thing, I have given a speech when the police came to disturb us and there was 5,000 crowd. It was possible that the crowd would get angry and attack these 5 policemen because there were just 5 of them. At that time I have given a speech telling the crowd to be to take it easy, especially because these policemen have got a political motivation of coming and trying to stop our dance, because this is also हे सदांचेच जाल्लें आहा. ही नविदाद न्ही विजय सरदेसायाचो प्रोग्राम. लास्ट कार्निवालाकूय आमचो डान्स बंद केल्लो तेन्ना एका पुलिसान केल्लो. ह्यो कार्निवालाक सेम जाल्लें आहा. आनी ताजे पयलीं हांव एक नरकासूर इव्हेंट करता. त्या नरकासूर इव्हेंटाक पुलिसांनी प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट जावचे पयलींच आर्म्ड पुलिसांनी येवन स्टेज मोडिल्ली आहा. आनी हे सगळें परिवर्तनाच्या टायमार जाल्लें आहा. हे गेले 2 वर्सांनूच जाल्लें आहा.
पण एक मुख्य मुद्दो आसा की तुवें कायदो वायोलेट केलो.
कसलोच कायदो न्ही. सी 15 minutes फॉर अ ट्रेडिशनल फेस्टिवल, इफ इट इज अ वायलेशन, टुडे द चीफ मिनिस्टर हिमसेल्फ हॅज सेड, तांणी सांगला फ्रांसीस डिसोजा टोस्ट रेस करपाक आज हाणें सांगला आमचे मायकल लोबोन 10 वरांचेर टोस्ट रेस करपाक येता म्हणून. लग्नाचो टायमींग 10 मेरेन आसता, मागीर लग्न 12 मेरेन चलता. कित्याक डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर टोस्ट रेस करता म्हणून. सो हांकां टोस्ट रेस करपाक हाडचें पडलें.
पूण हांगा कोणें तरी कंप्लेन केली.
कंप्लेन करतातूच. थंय नावेलीनी त्योच कंप्लेनी आहल्यो. थंय कित्याक एक्शन घेवना? थंय सेम सेक्शन आमचेर लायली ती, ताचेर कित्याक लावना? वी ऑल्सो हॅव एविडन्स देर दॅट द पुलीस हॅज गॉन टू स्टॉप. People have abused the police. Minister also has been there, but he has not been booked for the same section. I am not trying to go after him, but what I am trying to only say, the unequal laws. Parivartan means different rules for different people.
Politically motivated.
100% politically motivated. हांव जो शो करता, हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडच्यान 1 रुपया घेना. I am one of the most vocal opposition MLAs. And my program, see, I have defeated the only BJP MLA to be defeated, sitting BJP MLA to be defeated. ते तांकां कशेंच पचना. They want to somehow say it is by accident or it is by this, because there was a overwhelming wave and this man was comprehensively defeated. He has not been defeated by a slight margin.
पर्रीकर हे सगळें करता म्हणटा.
पर्रीकार करना जाल्यार पर्रीकारान पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आउटसोर्स केला आपल्या पार्टी कडेन अशें जालें. बिकॉज इफ 2 MLAs आर बींग बुक्ड for a frivolous complaint, at the behest of their cadre, then it is high time that he puts the house in order.
द बेस्ट ऑफ केडर
केडर म्हणत दे आर लोकल केडर. आज ताणें सांगलां खरें आपल्याच सायडीन ओडूंक मेळटा म्हणून. इट इज ह्युमन म्हणून की ते खरें आपल्या सायडीन ओडटलो म्हणून. सो ही इज व्हेरी क्लियरली जस्टिफाईड that the government is of the cadre first.
दामू नायक करून घेताय सगळं.
दामू नायक करता हो कितें पळय दामू नायक म्हणटा काय हांव विसरलो पूण तो विसरचो न्ही म्हणून आपलो न्यूसन्स व्हॅल्यू कितें कितें दाखयता. तो आपल्या खातीर पुलीस ऑफिसर हाडटा. म्हाका पुलीस ऑफिसर गरज ना कित्याक म्हगेलो काय इलिगल धंदो ना. पण हांकां पुलीस ऑफिसर जाय पडटात जे टेंटेड पुलीस ऑफिसर. इतल्याच खातीर कित्याक तांकां इलेक्शन जिखपाक ते इलेक्शन एजंट आसतले हे पुलिसांचे. वी हॅव सेवरल instances where BJP ministers are sitting outside where rave parties are going on in the north of Goa.
Why don't you expose it?
This has been exposed by your media itself. You don't require me to expose it.
But when you say ki,
I have said yesterday, I have given the assembly cases of 26 CRZ violations, mostly hotels owned by non-Goans in Morji and Mandre areas of Perne Taluka. The only Perne Taluka has 26 violations and the whole of Goa, the other 11 talukas, have only 27 violations. All these 26 violations are with political patronage. This has been proved on the floor of the house yesterday because the chief minister went out of the way to say it is sub judice. There was no assurance given to demolish the violations, the CRZ violation. Forget that. They are entirely callous about the state of the olive ridley turtles, and one olive ridley turtle has died in Morji as a result of loud music and lights which are there in the neighboring hotels, all with political patronage.
okay, you mean to say ki assembling you are like the only opposition guy, you as if you are the only.
See, when I was elected by the people of Fatarda by voting out the Congress and voting out the BJP. Now the BJP has formed a government on its own with a support of 21. आता BJP म्हजे कडेन सपोर्ट मागूंक ना आनी म्हाका संवय ना कोणाच्या लग्नाक आमंत्रण नासतना वचपाची.
सपोर्ट मागला दिवपाच.
No, no. First of it is hypothetical. When you don't ask me support, I'm not going to come and give you as if I am not going to surrender myself to you. Number one.
Do you support them?
No. Whatever good things that they have done. Winston Churchill एक saying aha, you need courage to stand up and speak म्हणून. You also need courage to sit down and listen. So I have had that courage and I have had the magnanimity to accept certain good things that the government may have done. But I have been vociferous for the wrong things that Parivartan is doing and which they are trying to hide. Everybody knows that people the dissenting voice has no respect in Goa, even in the house.
CM says opposition is weak.
CM made a statement in Fatarda that Vijay Sardesai was very vociferous before he became an MLA and now he's become weak. And that day when such a big program was conducted by me, they tried to prove that I was weak when I was strong. Now the same CM who says the opposition is weak had complimented the opposition leader in the presence of the Honorable Speaker Meera Kumar, Lok Sabha Speaker, and called the opposition leader a responsible opposition leader. How within 1 month the responsible opposition leader became weak? Or is it the terminology is of convenience?
What point you are trying to make?
What point I am trying to make is that Manohar Parrikar has certain match fixing with the Congress, and the Congress believes that it is a natural party of governance and is just not able to comprehend its role as an opposition party. The legislative wing of the Congress as an opposition party, I agree with Parrikar, is dysfunctional.
It's weak.
It is weak.
Reginald is also weak.
No, Reginald is not weak. Reginald has been consistent.
Rani is weak.
No. Rani is a person who has spent 44 years in the Legislative Assembly. It is more than my age, 1 year more than my biological age. So in these 44 years, I don't know how long I will survive in the assembly. A man has a huge transitional phase in his life. He has reached a point where he cannot function as an aggressive opposition leader, but that's not his nature, and you can't change his nature now. And the Congress has to make do with it and somehow adjust to it. If they can't adjust to it, they will be out of the public reckoning. They will be in oblivion, because people want, as much as the BJP tries to say people want a decisive leadership, they also want an aggressive and a vociferous opposition.
Okay, but don't
Yes.
You sound to be close to be Parrikar outside assembly. Your body language with Parrikar is so comfortable outside assembly that people can't believe की होच विजय assembly ना एकमेकाक त्यांची फायरिंग चलता आणि भायर इतले लागी आसा. So you think, my question is, you think की Parrikar is acting on behest of the party because तू हेजे पयली party cadres मध्ये.
Yeah, Parrikar, see the amount, the visage of Parrikar, the political image of Parrikar that he tries to put across. He has today said in the assembly that he has changed. The Parrikar of 2001 is not the Parrikar of 2014. So he tries to show that the dissenting voice is respected by him now. That he has become more adjusting with the opposition. He also shares a good rapport with me on the sidelines of the legislative assembly proceedings. And I also have the political etiquette to maintain and respect his position. At the same time, I do not dilute my politics and my relationship, or my politics and development. I don't make them mix any which way. He has accepted one proposal in my constituency, which is going to become a signature road in the constituency. But he has only accepted it, he has only approved it. I have personally stood there and got the work done. जातलें तें, आतां complete जावपाक काय नाही. No, I am only trying to say that he has done it and I have welcomed it. की बाबा तुम्ही पैसे ते हाका अलॉट केले म्हणून.
So my question is, तो मनीस बरो पण पार्टी वायट अशें म्हणलें.
मनीस बरो पार्टी वायट पळय कितें आहा, ताजी पार्टी म्हणल्यार तो आज ताणें ताजें तें कॉंग्रेच्युलेटरी मोशन हाडिल्लें थंय सिद्ध जाता. इवन डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टरान म्हणलां की आमी पार्टी आनी आमी आमदार आसा ताजे खातीर म्हणून. हें भाई राज कित्याक म्हणटात, कित्याक भाई इज द सेंट्रल फिगर.
You also congratulated him.
No, I congratulated him because I believe that the state has got laurels, number one. And I also had a word of advice for him. And I quoted Nelson Mandela, who said that a good heart and a good head is a good combination. Now, whatever this government prides itself, or Mr. Parrikar's government prides itself with intelligence, or finding a way out, now this is a matter of the head. You have to be seen to be having a heart, which I feel the government lacks. Parrikar also lacks, and many a times we in the opposition feel that he lacks the heart, because he does not show the inclination to respect the dissenting view, which is the integral part of democracy. That is where he gets the charge that he is a dictator. No, see, being assertive and being a decisive administrator does not necessarily make you a dictator.
He's a good CM or he's not good CM?
See, he is the chief minister at the moment.
Good or bad?
For me, I have to say, because I am in the opposition, I have to say he's bad. But for the BJP, he's good. Because BJP in Parivartan जे जाला, ते खूप जाणांचे बऱ्याक पडला हे परिवर्तन.
Goa is good.
For Goa, he can see the assessment has to be mid-term. At the moment, he has not achieved anything. Parivartan, we are almost mid-term. We keep on reminding him that Parivartan is old wine in new bottle. कांयच चेंज जावंक ना. काँग्रेसीच्या टायमार आशिल्लें तेंच जालां. करप्शन वाडलां. ताजे मिनिस्टर जे आहात ते इतले फास्ट स्कॅमांनी इन्वॉल्व जाल्ले आहा. तांचेर इतल्यो केसी जाल्यात की तांचे ओन पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटान FIR फायल केल्या.
You are supporting scam ridden Congress.
No.
Old wine and तू आसा सध्या.
No. I do not support the Congress. I was part of the Congress then.
हाँ.
It was scam ridden, people threw them out. But today these people are MSc, all of them. If you go to see their academics, they are not seen to be MSc. But this MSc is master of scams. In 2 years, they have overtaken the Congress in scams. See how many of their ministers, top leaders are involved in FIR, means are booked. This alone goes to prove that Parivartan is more tainted than the Congress. But to their advantage, they have a they have a opposition party which is silently appreciating. Are how fast they have overtaken us. You know, this is the
Congress is appreciating, you mean?
yes, the Congress is silently trying to say, अरे so quickly आमच्या इतले बेगीन आमकां फाटी उडयले काय करना सायलंटली डुईंग इट सो ताजे खातीर तांकां बेनिफीट जाला की द ओपोजिशन तो वीक म्हणून सांगला न्ही ताणें ही इज एडमिटींग सर्टन थिंग्स इन कॅन्डीड नेचर ऑफ अ ह्युमन बीइंग ही समटायम्स एडमिट्स सो आय बिलीव दॅट ही हॅज एडमिटेड इट
As an opposition, entire opposition,
Yeah.
You feel ki none of them are acting like opposition.
No. See, Reginald is active. That's to have a coordinated approach. You need to have a captain of a ship who steers the ship and gives it direction. Even the opposition ship can be steered. It can be steered to a point that you become ruling. You cannot wait for accidents to happen.
So who should be the right captain in Congress?
See, I believe that the opposition does not have a coordinated approach, either during the session or beyond the session. There is no talmel kai naच मेळापचो जायना तांचे.
Who should be the right leader of opposition?
See, who should be the right leader is for the Congress legislature party to decide. I am
I'm
not.
asking your advice.
No. I believe I am the de facto opposition leader. I believe, and it's very wrong to. It's like a donkey praising his own tail, but it's not like that. I make an attempt to try to see as much and do as much. And I know there are many MLAs within the Congress also who are perhaps much more qualified and better equipped than me. But the point is they don't have the will.
Do you repent that तुका एखाद्या काँग्रेसची तिकीट मेळपाक जाय आशिल्ली? You would have been part of this block and you would have been, a more.
No. I feel that destiny puts you in a certain place. Independence, Voltaire had said, the French philosopher Voltaire had said, that repeated injustice makes you independent. So I was unjustly treated and I became independent. I'm happy about it. There's nothing. No.
Actually became under.
I'm independent and I am morally and ethically standing firm on where I stand.
लोकसभा कोणाक सपोर्ट करतलो तू इलेक्शन?
लोकसभा म्हाका दिसता की the need of the hour is for secular forces to unite. Number one.
परत ताजेरूच पावता.
ना परत पावता म्हणल्यार we cannot divide the forces which are against Modi becoming prime minister. Number one. I believe that Modi for Goa is a bad recipe, is a recipe for disaster. This is my belief. I also don't find the logic behind Parrikar getting Modi and making a big meeting here. See, a strong leader like Parrikar doesn't need Modi to get votes for the BJP. The Catholics of Goa, who constitute almost 27%, almost overwhelmingly supported Parrikar in the last elections. And that's how the Parivartan happened.
This time?
Why will they support Modi? I don't understand this. See, he's either lost touch with reality. See, people have a distinct, there are 10% Muslims in Goa. History cannot be erased in one go. You cannot just say that I apologize to the Muslims and then field RSS candidates.
Okay, so
This cannot happen.
secular again that.
Secular politics is the ethos of our democracy. It can't be erased. सेक्युलर बरो कोण पळय आतां कितें आहा काँग्रेसीचे अशे मनीस आहा की जे इनएफिशियंट नॉट केप्ट इन टच विथ द पब्लीक नॉट रेज द रायट इश्यूज इन पार्लिमेंट हॅविंग युअर ओन गव्हर्मेंट नॉट गिवन जस्टीस टू गोवा हे लोक द सेक्युलर म्हणून उबे रावपाक लागले जाल्यार इट मे बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द पीपल टू डायजेस्ट दीस दॅट जस्ट विथ द नेम टॅग ऑफ सेक्युलर doesn't make you
Solutions are.
solution is that the Congress leadership at the center has to responsibly think and has to gauge the feelings of the public. If they ignore that by bringing some high command rule, I feel they will lose the seats.
What is your stand for Lok Sabha?
My stand is I am inclined towards supporting
Congress.
a consensus. See, it has. If we talk about regional, I am one of the biggest votaries of a regional party. But I believe that these elections, the Lok Sabha elections, is not fought on regional issues but on national issues. We cannot be spoil sports. That is why various options which are coming up now, various new parties which are mushrooming. I feel that the public will see through this. They can they all know that Parrikar is an intelligent man. Even a person who may not consciously be entering the fray, knowing that he is a tool in the hands of the ruling party, can be construed as a tool of the ruling party and come to divide the vote, and therefore may lose relevance in Goan politics, which I don't want
You
to.
are saying something like Dayanand Narvekar left Congress is because of the behest of Parrikar.
No, I am not. See, Dayanand Narvekar is a seasoned political player. He must be knowing what he is doing.
No, what if tu
But what I am saying is that Goinche Lok Pishanat, we are considered to be politically and socially one of the most conscious states in the country. I have won as an independent against the BJP and Congress, which alone means गोंयांत सगळे एकमेकांक वळखतात. तूं जर फिक्स जावन येवन एक मास्क घालून उबो रावता तर तुज्या मास्काचें पोंदां कितें आहा तें लोकांक कळटा.
नार्वेकराचे मास्क पोंदा कितें
नार्वेकाराचे मास्काचे पोंदां ओ नव्यो पार्ट्यो खंयच्यो मास्काचे पोंदां कितें आसा तें कोणाक कळना. पण एक क्लॅरिटी येता की डिव्हिजन ऑफ सेक्युलर वोट बेनिफिट्स द बीजेपी. हें गणित सारकें क्लियर आहा. This is the general this. Even NCP, for that matter NCP, today the stand that the NCP has taken, that आमी 2 seat घालतले, alliance is broken. I feel people will see through this.
Okay.
It will not succeed. The Congress is the centrist party, but if the Congress behaves irresponsibly, then people will go for an alternative.
Vijay Sardesai is not clearing its stand on Lok Sabha election.
No, Lok Sabha, my personal feeling is that a good Congress candidate in North and in the South, who is in touch with the grassroots and who is not tainted, who does not have baggage, is the candidate who will win both the seats. Today the public opinion is against the BJP. The BJP is trying to somehow erase the public opinion, create a situation of fait accompli. Entire thing is focused towards April 17th. Even the budget that was presented was with an entire focus on April 17th. Even the address of the governor there was constitutional impropriety in using the office of the governor to attack the central government. There has been discussion in the public domain about this. The whole focus is clearly on one thing: get Modi.
You also are going for an option which is not so good or so attractive option.
No, the option is, see, you cannot have Hitler as an option today. A fascist entity, one has to look at India, where India is placed. India cannot be a tool in somebody's hands to just start a regional conflict with our neighbors. We are a sunrise economy. We cannot afford a war. There are some warmongers who cannot lead the nation.
Modi is a warmonger.
See the entire picture around him. He is a macho leader who is willing to do anything to succeed. This type of an image does not go or gel well with the Goan psyche. We are a secular, tolerant, multicultural, multilingual society, and we are tolerant. We cannot talk about Shahzada हे ते हांगा आमच्या गोंयांत कोता येना.
तुझ्याच हेजेप्रमाणे you don't want BJP because Modi will come. So you want Congress for Rahul Gandhi.
No, if they put up Parrikar as a prime minister candidate, I would support him.
You support
See,
Parrikar?
I would support Parrikar as prime minister candidate.
Parrikar contest in Goa.
Yes, I would support him. I would support Parrikar as prime minister candidate because irrespective of whichever party, even if he is BJP, because there is this to it. When Narasimha Rao contested in Nandyal in Andhra Pradesh, then Chief Minister N.T. Ramarao did not field a candidate against him, and he called it Telugu Biddu, which is Telugu pride. That if Parrikar is being slated to be the prime minister, I will say it is Goinkar पण स्वाभिमानी गोंयकार म्हणून हांव ताका सपोर्ट करता. पर्रीकारच
आणि कोण ना
आनी कोण आहा ते हांवें खूबदां म्हणिल्लें आतां जे मिनिस्टर म्हणटा ते आर नॉन एंटिटीज. दे आर ऑलमोस्ट खुट्याचे माकड. हें म्हणल्यार तांकां वायट दिसता, पूण इन अदर वर्ड्स दे आर दॅट. तांकां कितेंय विचार तूं पॉलिसी आस्क देम एनीथींग आर दे अवेर. दे से बाईक विचारपाक जाय म्हणून. आय नो ऑफ वन मिनिस्टर हू इवन one person approached him to become his bodyguard. He said, I have to ask बाईक विचारून जाय ताजो ओन बॉडीगार्ड तो पसून बाईक विचारून जाय म्हणटा.
On one hand, you call Parrikar sort of dictator.
Yeah.
On the other hand, you say कि Parrikar should be prime minister.
No, I am not saying he should be prime minister. I am saying in the unlikely event of the BJP putting him and telling the public that this is the face that we want, as a part of as a view that a technocrat should lead India, because he is IIT. One has to respect his education. See, I have given him credit on two fronts. One is his focus on infrastructure development. Parrikar cannot be taken lightly when it comes to infrastructure development. He's got a vision. He goes to create infrastructure. Number two is his passion towards education. On these two fronts, I would give him credit.
You also admire him.
I admire these two aspects of his. Surely.
So end of this interview it is like
No, but I believe the dogmatic stand of his party, the politics that he represents, is not good for the eventual good of the Goans.
So Vijay
BJP is not good for Goa.
Vijay admires Parrikar.
I admire some aspects of his character, not all.
Like him as chief minister.
Not to say that I like him. Whether I like him or not is of no consequence. Because if I don't like him, I can't get rid of him.
No, but what is your opinion? Do you like him as chief minister?
No, I like when he does infrastructure in my constituency. I don't like when he behaves like a bully, which he does in the assembly many times. Yesterday telling Reginald Lorenzo that I'm going to put you in jail for 2 months does not behave of a chief minister to talk like a street side bully. So this is not good.
जो सामको जिव्हाळ्याचा प्रश्न मोपा
Yeah.
या इलेक्शना
Aye.
वेळार लोकसभा इलेक्शन
Aye.
वेळार मोपा विषय जर काँग्रेस काडिना जाल्यार तू सपोर्ट करतलो.
ना मोपा विषय काडूंकूच जाय. मोपा म्हणतो इज एंटी गोवन. इट इज एन इनडायरेक्ट मर्जर. इट अमाउंट्स टू एन इनडायरेक्ट मर्जर ऑफ गोवा विथ महाराष्ट्र.
मोपा विषय काडचो.
मोपा विषय काडना जाल्यार काँग्रेसीक सपोर्ट करप ना.
तू कोणाक करतलो?
ना कोणाकूय. सी देर इज अ थर्ड ऑप्शन कमिंग इन. देर इज इवन नोटा नाव. नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनी वोट. दॅट इज
पार्टी बी पळय.
ना आम आदमी पार्टी गोंयांत ताजें स्वरूप कितें आसतलें तें अजून कोणाक खबर ना. जस्ट केजरीवाल बरो जालो म्हणून तो कोणाक पण सी दॅट इज वाय आय डोंट बिलीव इन दीस नॅशनल पार्टीज. आमचो प्रॉब्लेम कितें आहा तांकां तांची एक नॅशनल इमेज क्रिएट करता ते विच इज दिल्ली सेंट्रीक एंड देन दे स्टार्ट अपॉइंटिंग वन पर्सन एज इफ दे आर अपॉइंटिंग गव्हर्नर्स or somebody and they accept, say this is the best man we have chosen for you, accept him.
So Aam Aadmi Party you are not support.
No, I am not support because I don't know who will represent the Aam Aadmi Party.
So in nutshell आता
ना पळय आम आदमी पार्टीचें सगळें तथ्य जें आहा जें तांचें दे आर रेझॉन दॅट आय एप्रिशिएट इट व्हेरी मच. नॉट ओनली दॅट आय एम द गाय हू हॅज मूव्ड अ प्रायवेट मेंबर बिल ऑन द लायन्स ऑफ जनरल लोकपाल मूव्ड बाय द उत्तराखंड गव्हर्मेंट विच वॉज दिस ऑफ आमचो तो
base of that.
people of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Last song, if
Ah.
Congress doesn't raise MOPA
Yeah.
issue, Vijay Sardesai is not supporting Congress.
Yes, MOPA is a central issue, has to be raised, has to be opposed.
ओके हे आशिल्ले विजय सरदेसाई फातोड्डेचे आमदार. त्यांचे म्हणण्याप्रमाणे जर प्रायम मिनिस्टर कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून पर्रीकर हांकां घातलो आनी पर्रीकर जर लोकसभा इलेक्शन लढटा जाल्यार इरिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ पार्टी एफिलिएशन ते पर्रीकराक सपोर्ट करतले. पर्रीकरांकडे तांचं लायक आनी हेट्रेड अशी दोन्ही कायंड ऑफ रिलेशनशीप आसा. ते म्हणटा कांय वेळा पर्रीकर आपल्याक आवडटा, जर तो डेव्हलपमेंट करता जाल्यार आपल्याक आवडटा, पूण कांय टायमार तो जे तरेन वागता ते तरेन आपल्याक आवडना. एक महत्वाचो पॉयंट म्हणजे त्यांचे म्हणण्याप्रमाणे काँग्रेस हॅज बीन एडमायरिंग पर्रीकर सिटींग अँड दे आर जस्ट एडमायरिंग हाऊ कम दीज पीपल आर मेकिंग सो मेनी स्कॅम्स and they have overtaken us in the entire scam. That is what Vijay Sardesai says. And ते म्हणटा की as a formidable opposition, Congress has failed, except on certain fronts. Congress has miserably failed to be a formidable opposition, which has forced him to become de facto leader of opposition. देव बरे करू आमचे कार्यावळीन आयिल्ले म्हणून. तुम्ही पळयतात हॉट सीट कार्यावळ HCN चॅनलाचेर. पळयत रावात HCN.